guys, welcome to my channel WikiGen, hub of crazy knowledge. Today's our topic is top 10 best books of all time. The books you definitely have to try reading sometime. So now let's move on to the top 10 list. 10. Little Women. Little Women is a novel by American author Louisa May Alcott, which was originally published in 2 volumes in 1868 and 1869. Alcott wrote the book over several months at the request of her publisher. The story follows the lives of the 4 March sisters, Meg, Jo, Beth and Amy, and details their passage from childhood to womanhood. It is loosely based on the lives of the author and her 3 March sisters. Scholars classify it as an autobiographical or semi-autobiographical novel. 9. Hobbits. Hobbits or halflings are a fiction human-like race in the novels of J.R.R. Tolkien about how the height of humans they live barefooted and live in underground houses which have windows as they are typically built into the sides of hills. Wow, crazy little creatures. Hobbits first appeared in the 1937 children's novel The Hobbit, whose titular hobbit is the protagonist Bilbo Baggins, who is thrown into an unexpected adventure involving a dragon. In its sequel, The Lord of the Rings, The Hobbit, Frodo Baggins, Sam Gamgee, Pippin Took, and Merry Brandybuck are primary characters. 8. The Book Thief. The Book Thief is a historical novel by Australian author Marcus Zusak and is his most popular work. Published in 2005, The Book Thief became an international bestseller and was translated into 63 languages and was sold more than 16 million copies. It was later adapted into a future film of the same name, The Book Thief. 7th, The Diary of Anne Frank. The Diary of a Young Girl, also known as The Diary of Anne Frank, is a book of the writings from the Dutch language diary kept by Anne Frank while she was in hiding for 2 years with her family during the Nazi occupation of the Netherlands. German occupied Europe wholly or partly and civil, including puppet governments by the military forces and the government of Nazi Germany at various times between 1939 and 1945, during and shortly before World War II. The family was apprehended in 1944 and Anne Frank died of typhus in the Bergen-Belsen concentration camp in 1945. The diary was retrieved by Miep Gies, who gave it to Anne Frank's father, Otto Frank, the only living survivor in their family, just after the World War was over. The diary has since been published in more than 16 languages. 4th, The Lord of the Rings. The Lord of the Rings is an epic high fantasy novel written by English author and scholar J.R.R. Tolkien. The story begins as a sequel to Tolkien's 1937 fantasy novel The Hobbit, but eventually developed into a much larger work. Written in stages between 1937 and 1949, The Lord of the Rings is one of the best-selling novels ever written with over 150 million copies sold. 3rd, Harry Potter the Philosopher's Stone. I hope all of you know about Harry Potter, but have you read the books? Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone is a fantasy novel written by British author J.K. Rowling, the first novel in the Harry Potter series and J.K. Rowling's debut novel. It follows Harry Potter, a young wizard who discovers his magical heritage on his 11th birthday when he receives a letter of acceptation to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Harry makes close friends and few enemies during his first year at the school, and with the help of his friends, Harry faces an attempted comeback by the Lord Wizardry, Lord Voldemort, who killed Harry's parents but failed to kill Harry Potter when he was just 15 months. The book was published first in the United Kingdom on 26th June 1997 by Bloomsbury. It was published in the United States the following year by Scholastic Corporation under the title Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. It won most of the British Book Awards that were judged by children and other awards in the US. 2nd, 1984 by George Orwell. A novel often published as 1984 is a dystopian novel by English novelist George Orwell. It was published on 8th June 1949 by Secker and Wamberg as Orwell's 9th and final book completed in his lifetime. Thematically, 1984 centers on the consequences of government overreach, totalitarianism, mass surveillance, and repressive regimentation of all persons and behaviors within society. More broadly, it examines the role of truth and facts within politics and their manipulation. First, To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird is a novel by Harper Lee published in 1960. Instantly successful, widely read in high schools and middle schools in the United States. It has become a classic of modern American literature, winning the Pulitzer Prize. The plot and characters are loosely based on Lee's observation of her family, her neighbors, and an event that occurred near her hometown of Monroeville, Alabama in 1936 when she was just 10. Despite dealing with the serious issues of rape and racial inequality, the novel is renowned for its warmth and humor. If you like to buy any of the books, follow the given link in the description below to buy them from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to get the notification when I upload a new video, please hit the bell icon. If you like to suggest any changes, comment and let me know in the comments below. Thank you friends for watching this video. This is Vicky signing off. Bye bye.